In the evolving landscape of mobility, performance and precision start on the production floor. At Eclipse, we partner with the world's leading manufacturers to deliver high-performance automation systems for the next generation of powertrain components.
From e-drives and traction motors to transmissions, gearboxes, and fuel and suspension systems, our custom solutions are built to meet the demands of today and scale for tomorrow. Our modular platforms integrate assembly, testing, inspection, and traceability, enabling greater control, adaptability, and uptime. Whether you're producing fuel injectors, oil and water pumps, and critical suspension parts, we deliver repeatability, efficiency, and global production consistency.
With global reach and local support, Eclipse brings deep industry expertise to every partnership, driving better outcomes from design to deployment. Eclipse, powering what's next in motion.